Ever wondered how to turn your biggest dreams into reality? Just like when we tidy our homes, we must first tidy our minds, creating space for our aspirations to grow. Stay tuned as we reveal 7 practical steps to make your dreams achievable. Throughout this journey, we'll explore powerful techniques for setting smart goals, overcoming fear, and staying motivated. Remember, just as each item in our home should spark joy, each step towards our dreams should ignite passion and purpose. Subscribe and download the free ebook for more in-depth strategies to declutter your doubts and welcome success. Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're embarking on a wonderful journey together, a journey from the whispers of dreams to the reality of achievement. And what better way to begin than by creating a vision board, a tangible representation of our aspirations. This space will become home to your vision board, a collection of images, quotes and affirmations that spark joy and excitement within you. Think of it as a visual manifestation of your goals, a daily reminder of what you're striving for. When selecting images, choose those that resonate deeply with your desires. A picture of a peaceful beach might represent your goal of traveling the world, while an image of a successful entrepreneur could embody your career aspirations. Don't be afraid to get creative and personal. Write down your goals in beautiful lettering, adding glitter or colorful markers to make them visually appealing. Place your vision board in a prominent location where you'll see it every day, perhaps near your workspace or beside your bed. Each time your eyes fall upon it, allow the images and words to transport you to a place of possibility and inspiration. Remember, a vision board is more than just a collection of pretty pictures. It's a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams. Now that we've created a beautiful vision board to inspire us, it's time to bring structure to our aspirations. Just as we carefully fold and organize our clothes, we must define our goals with precision and clarity. This is where SMART goals come in. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element is crucial for transforming vague desires into concrete actions. Let's break it down, shall we? A specific goal outlines precisely what you want to achieve, leaving no room for ambiguity. Instead of saying, I want to be healthier, a specific goal would be, I want to lose 10 pounds by exercising 3 times a week for 30 minutes. Measurable goals allow you to track your progress and stay motivated. How will you measure your success? Will it be by pounds lost, miles run, or skills acquired? Defining clear metrics helps you stay focused and accountable. Achievable goals are realistic and attainable, preventing discouragement and frustration. While it's wonderful to dream big, it's essential to set goals that align with your current resources and capabilities. By applying the SMART framework to your goals, you transform them from distant dreams into actionable steps. Now, my friends, we arrive at a crucial step in our journey. Overcoming fear. Fear, much like clutter, can accumulate over time, creating obstacles on our path to success. But just as we courageously discard items that no longer spark joy, we can confront our fears and reclaim our power. Fear often disguises itself as doubt, whispering negative thoughts that hold us back from pursuing our dreams. It might say, "You're not good enough," or "What if you fail?" But remember, these are just thoughts, and thoughts can be changed. One powerful technique for overcoming fear is positive affirmations. These are short, empowering statements that challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive beliefs. Repeat affirmations like "I am capable" or "I am worthy of success" until they become ingrained in your subconscious mind. Another effective approach is exposure therapy, which involves gradually exposing yourself to the situations that trigger your fear. Start with small, manageable steps, gradually increasing the intensity over time. As you face your fears head-on, you'll realize that they are often far less daunting than you imagined. Embrace courage, my friends, and watch as you soar to new heights. Congratulations, my friends, for making it this far. We've visualized our success, set SMART goals, and confronted our fears. Now, it's time to create actionable plans, transforming our dreams into tangible realities. Think of an action plan as a meticulously organized recipe book. Just as a recipe guides us through each step of creating a delicious meal, an action plan outlines the specific actions needed to achieve our goals. Start by breaking down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. This makes the journey less daunting and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Each task should have a clear deadline, creating a sense of accountability and momentum. Next, prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. Just as we tidy our homes by addressing the most cluttered areas first, we should focus our energy on the tasks that will have the greatest impact on our goals. Consider utilizing a planner or digital calendar to schedule your tasks and track your progress. Seeing your plans laid out visually can be incredibly motivating and helps you stay organized. Remember, creating an action plan is about transforming overwhelm into excitement as you witness your dreams taking shape. As we continue our journey towards our dreams, it's essential to incorporate regular reviews into our routine. Just as we periodically tidy our homes to maintain order and harmony, we must review our goals and action plans to ensure we're on track. Think of these reviews as moments of self-reflection and course correction. Schedule dedicated time each month or quarter to assess your progress, celebrate your accomplishments, and make any necessary adjustments. Begin by revisiting your vision board and SMART goals. Do they still resonate with your aspirations? Have your priorities shifted? Allow yourself the flexibility to refine your goals as you evolve and grow. Next, examine your action plans. Are you making progress on your tasks? Are there any obstacles hindering your progress? Identify any roadblocks and brainstorm creative solutions to overcome them. Regular reviews help us declutter our minds, allowing us to approach our goals with renewed focus and clarity. As we journey towards our dreams, it's essential to remember that we don't have to do it alone. Just as we might seek the help of a professional organizer for a particularly challenging tidying project, we can seek the support of mentors and guides to assist us on our path to success. Mentors are experienced individuals who can offer valuable insights, advice, and encouragement. They've navigated similar paths and can provide a roadmap to help us avoid potential pitfalls. Think of a mentor as a wise friend, someone who believes in your potential and wants to see you succeed. They can offer a fresh perspective on your goals, challenge you to think differently, and celebrate your victories alongside you. When seeking a mentor, look for someone who possesses qualities you admire, whether it's their expertise in a particular field, their unwavering determination, or their compassionate approach to life. Remember, seeking support is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength and wisdom. Congratulations, my friends, for coming this far on our transformative journey. We've covered so much ground together, from creating a vision board to seeking support from mentors. Now, let's address a crucial element for long-term success: staying motivated. Just as we must consistently tidy our homes to maintain a sense of order and peace, we must nurture our motivation to keep our dreams alive and thriving. Remember that motivation often ebbs and flows like the tide. There will be days when you feel energized and unstoppable, and there will be days when you feel discouraged or unsure. The key is to develop strategies to navigate these fluctuations and maintain a positive momentum. One powerful technique is to revisit your vision board regularly. Allow the images and affirmations to reignite your passion and remind you of why you embarked on this journey in the first place. Celebrating small victories along the way provides a sense of accomplishment and fuels your motivation to keep going. By incorporating these strategies into your routine, you can create a sustainable source of inspiration to fuel your dreams and propel you towards a fulfilling and purposeful life. As we conclude this transformative journey together, remember that turning dreams into reality is an ongoing process, much like tidying our homes. It requires conscious effort, consistent action, and a willingness to embrace both the challenges and triumphs along the way. Now, it's your turn to share your aspirations with the world. Comment below with your biggest dream and one step you'll take today to make it a reality. And don't forget to subscribe and download the free ebook for more in-depth strategies to declutter your doubts and welcome success. Remember, Your dreams are worth pursuing, and you have the power within you to make them a reality. Keep believing, keep striving, and never stop tidying your path to success.